Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy, and today I flipped the blades on the Fanimation Huxley to the Cherrywood side. Anyways, so here's low, and I do like it better with the walnut side. But I think Cherrywood's okay. But in the pictures, like when I saw in pictures, I didn't like it in Cherrywood blades, but seeing it in person makes me think it's okay. But I like it a little better in walnut. I know, I know that some of them, I know that, what am I thinking about? When these fans, well, although I thought the blades are different finish in yellow or bronze, but apparently they're the same finish as pewter. And for some reason, one of the blade screws is actually silver. That goes with the pewter one. So let's kick it up to medium. Yeah, and I was kind of surprised when I saw it was pewter, but I thought the finish was tarnishing off. But it actually was pewter, silver. But most of the screws are black. And this fan is surprisingly the first oil were bronze. And when I ran it for a little while, it's made some bearing noise, but then the noise went away. Surprising, which is good. And I'm happy about. But sadly, I don't know why the Monte Carlo Vios's bearing noise did not go away. I think maybe I'll have to oil it and try to oil a fan. But so far, none of my regular fans have gotten bearing noise yet. If the Coastal Breeze starts making bearing noise, I can oil the Coastal Breeze, since those are just like uber common. And I don't mind getting rid of the Coastal Breeze, but I'd like to find a new set of blade arms since it's in kind of rough shape. Looks like it's not wobbling, surprisingly. Wobbles a little bit, though. It wobbles a little slightly more than with the walnut side showing, but it wobbles a little bit. Not too bad, though. Air movement. Top view. My parents like this fan, actually. It looks contemporary looking to them. I think it looks contemporary looking too, but it looks better with the walnut side showing. If I installed this in my bedroom, in wherever I live in the future, if the ceilings are high enough, I'd show it in the walnut blades. And let's flip it to the other direction, reverse. And I thought the blade, well, I know, like I mentioned in the previous video of this fan, like, I thought the blade screws were missing, which I was kind of a little pissed off about, but apparently they're there. I think I may have seen one of these in a showroom. I'm not sure. But I've seen a lot of like, maybe I could have seen them at Via Napoli. Or I could have seen them on, like, real estate listings. I know I've seen them on real estate listings. But I'm happy to own one now. I'll do my head in there. Thankfully, I didn't pull the chain hard. Because I know Will Howell, and he tested fans. He pulled the chain kind of hard. At one time, he told me a funny story. He told Tommy a funny story in when his Fanimation's Onyx wet video, and he actually jumped up to get the chain on a Fanimation Sonic Sweat, and the pull chain came out. But it was sad, though, that the chain came out. But the chain's still out of it. Here's medium. Here's high. Wobbles on high, though. It does come with a balancing kit. If I permanently installed this in my house, I'd probably use a balancing kit. But this is a temporary install, so I don't need the balancing kit. And off. Put it back on forward. Another way why this could be making some bearing noise, it could be like balancing. Maybe the bearings are breaking in and then I have to let it rest. That may be part of one. Well, the original's still on the floor. The Hunter 9. That's the washing machine. 10:41. I have to go back to school today, and I'm really not happy to. So I've not spent so much time here because I was in Europe. Anyways, thanks for watching.